Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Jaisha, and today I am trying out the new MoKnowsHair hair care line. I'm excited to try these because, for one, I pre-ordered them like probably a month ago, and then also this is a revamp of the old products. So MoKnowsHair came out with a hair care line a few years ago. It was in Sally Beauty, but it got discontinued. I don't know if it had to do with the pandemic or what it was about, but the products were gone for a long time. And now she has revamped all of the products. We got all new products. Well, same types of products as far as like shampoo, deep conditioner, gel, but new formulas, and it's supposed to be better than the originals. So I just washed my hair with the shampoo, the Ultimate Hydrator sulfate-free shampoo, and I deep conditioned with the deep conditioner, the elasticity restoring treatment. We gotta talk about this deep conditioner. So to style my hair, obviously I'm doing a wash and go, and I'm about to use the styling potion and the defining gel. These are meant to be used together. I actually got a bundle with the shampoo, conditioner, and these two styling products, and the directions on here say to use them together. Styling potion. I'm applying the styling potion to this whole quadrant. I'm trying to be not so heavy-handed with my products these days, and it's a little bit of a struggle. Oh, it smells good. It smells really good. Okay, I lied. Here I go. A little bit more. First off, the scent on these is really good. I probably use too much gel. There's a really old video on my channel with me using the original products. I believe I did a braid out or a twist out using the same styling potion and gel. Now the gel was very flaky. I got a lot of flaking, I remember, when I used the original gel. So I'm hoping that they addressed that with this new formula. And if they didn't, then I'm probably gonna have more flaking because I just used a lot of gel. This gel says that it's medium hold. Y'all know how I feel about medium hold gel. And y'all know how I feel about strong hold gel. I just feel like we can never, at least me, I don't ever trust whatever type of hold they say it's gonna give, because there's gels labeled strong hold that aren't strong hold. There's gels labeled medium that I've experienced as strong. I don't know. So far, it's giving medium. Maybe if I use more, it becomes stronger. Probably not. What I will say about my when I initially bought these products, like the first time around, the deep conditioner was so good. Like, oh my goodness. That deep conditioner was everything. I stayed, like once I tried it, I wasn't buying any other deep conditioners. I kept one of those on hand because that's how much I loved it. That's how good it was. And it just became my only deep conditioner. So I was super disappointed when it got discontinued. So I'm glad to see that they brought it back. I think this gel is going to give like a soft fluffy hold, not necessarily like the defining strong hold that I'm looking for. But again, it says medium, so that's a me problem. But also, you know, sometimes the final results surprise you, or, you know, as the days go by, your hair surprises you or the product is different than what you thought. So yeah, the deep conditioner is good because it's moisturizing and it has protein in it. It has hydrolyzed quinoa, which I think is what makes it really good. At least for me, it's been really good. And it has really good slip. I think it has mango seed butter in there. The shampoo has marshmallow root extract, which is good for detangling and like moisture from what I have read. So I started following MoKnowsHair a long time ago, and her videos are just amazing. And I'm gonna tell you what makes them different is that she is a licensed cosmetologist and she's giving you the science behind hair. She's coming with fact-based evidence on like why our hair does what it does and behaves, and you know, just the tips and tricks just are logical. They make sense and they're coming from a place of knowledge. Because unlike the rest of YouTube, including myself, we're just giving you what works for us while she's giving you like the evidence, the science. There are so many tricks that I started doing or stopped doing because of her advice and, you know, myth busting on things that, you know, the natural hair community likes to have these trends on certain things, and she would just be like, this don't make no sense, here's why. The other really good thing about her channel is she's not just showing her hair, she's also styling other people's hair, so you get a variety of different hair types, which is great because a lot of us, myself included, most people, you know, subscribe to people whose hair looks like theirs because you feel like you're gonna get the most benefit and information from that person, from someone who has similar hair as you. But the good thing is that if she doesn't have your hair type, you can still see people that do on her channel. And there's also things that she's done to her hair that I've tried to my hair, which we do not have the same hair type, and it's been good, it worked. She's just always been about healthy hair, and I mean, that should be the goal of any licensed cosmetologist, but that's also like definitely someone that I would buy a hair care line from. Just knowing that, you know, their passion and their purpose is healthy hair. The other really cool, interesting part about this hair care line is that MoKnowsHair got a black female chemist to help her come up with these formulas. And I just think that is really great that she, you know, intentionally sought that out, to have someone that understands and knows firsthand what our hair needs, and just putting ingredients and formulas together, I think is really good and beneficial. And that just seems like the perfect duo, a black female chemist and a black licensed cosmetologist. I think it's probably good in terms of health, but the fluffiness is bothering me. Am I not putting enough on my roots? And I forgot to mention, the sizes of these bottles are bigger than what they originally were. The thing is, I don't know if stronghold gel and moisture rising gel could go together, and I think a lot of times the focus is more on the moisture than it is on the stronghold of it all. Okay, these are my final results. I went and sat under my hooded dryer for about 35 minutes or so. I was debating about using my diffuser or sitting under the hooded dryer just because, you know, sometimes, not sometimes, for the most part, the diffuser is going to cause a little bit more frizz when you use it. So with a medium hold product, I didn't want to risk having even more frizz than what I already had. So I just sat under the hooded dryer. And these are my results. So these results are good. There's some definition up here in the front. The front of my hair usually has more definition, but the back definitely does have a good amount of frizz. I would say definitely more than what I like, more than, you know, what I would go for in my wash and go, but that's okay. The good thing about having a little bit of frizz is that you get more volume on your first day. And so normally I would have to wait until like day 2 or day 3 to have this kind of volume and my hair to be so big, which tells me that this wash and go is not gonna last all week. But that's okay, because we knew the deal when it said medium hold, right? I think for me, I wouldn't reach for this combo for a wash and go. Maybe for another style like a twist out or a braid out, it probably would be good. But all in all, the products are living up to their claims. The styling potion says that it conditions and defines curls with soft hold. The defining gel says that it sets curls with medium hold. So that's exactly what they both did. And the ingredients are good in terms of having a protein and moisture balance. Even the shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo has carrot seed oil, hydrolyzed wheat protein, and marshmallow root. Deep conditioner, hydrolyzed quinoa, mongongo oil, and mango seed butter. Styling potion has apricot oil, aloe leaf juice, and meadow foam seed oil. And the gel has mongongo oil, again, argan oil, and hydrolyzed wheat protein. So again, a good protein and moisture balance in these products, which is a really good foundation, if not the answer to having healthy hair, moisture and protein for your curls. So I'm definitely good with my results, minus the fact that it could be less frizz, but there's still really nothing wrong with my hair. I just don't know how it would hold up in the humidity once I get outside in the elements, since there is a little bit more frizz, but we'll see how that goes. So that's it for my review on the brand new, newly formulated MoKnowsHair hair care products. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more of my videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!